Okay, we have a couple of just key tags that we want to learn to help increase our ability to change the style of words and how the text shows up, also where the text shows up. Some of these might be familiar or familiar based on some of the things we've done in the past, some of them are just brand new. So what we want to do is I want to type in here certain words. So I want to say I want to make this word bold, and I want to make this word underlined. I should change that to word instead of world. And I want to make this word italicized. And italicized means kind of like slanted, okay? Italicized world. So each of these, the sort of traditional tags to make something bold or underline or italicized are as follows. To make it bold, it's B, so it's the old tag format, and it's beginning tag B, end tag B, and then beginning tag U, end tag U, and then here it's beginning tag I and end tag I. And you can see on our assignment that that's what I want you to do. I want you to be able to take a word and then use these tags here, B, U, and I, to tell the browser that you want them to look a certain way. So look, I'm going to click this. Actually, I should put a line break in here so that it's not all blended together. Click Show Web Page, and you can see bold, underlined, italicized. Okay, that's basically all I want you to do there. Then I'm going to introduce one more tag, and this is called the div tag. And what a div tag basically says is that whatever is in between the div tag, like we've talked about in the past, is called an element. Okay, I'm just going to separate this with a line break. It's an element, and so I'm just going to put some text, and I'm going to say this text. And all I want to focus on right now is using the div tag to align a group of words, in this case, this text, to the right or to the center. And we've already used the align attribute. Remember the align attribute from when we were doing the header? So I just want you to do align equals right. And then I'm going to do the same thing, copy that, paste it, and we'll do center, and we'll say this text centered. Okay? Click Show Web Page. This text was align right, this text is centered. And these div tags are going to be useful later because, again, they create an element, and they're going to be elements that we can name. So we can say this text, whatever we want to do with it, size, color, position, floating around, blinking, whatever it is that we want to do, we can do because we're going to call it, we're going to define it as an element, this div element. So this is pretty straightforward. 3 new tags, B, U, and I, and then this new tag, the div tag, using an old attribute, align right, align center, and then that's your assignment. So now you can escape and minimize this video and then get started with the try it yourself section.